Right now, in the palm of your hand, on the tip of your phone screen, and inside your gut, billions of living things are moving, eating, and reproducing. But you cannot see a single one of them. Welcome to the invisible empire, the world of microorganisms. Microorganisms or microbes are life form so tiny that they can only be seen with a microscope. They were the very first life to appear on Earth nearly 4 billion years ago. To put their size in perspective, if a single human hair were as wide as a football field, a typical bacterium would be about the size of a basketball. While there are millions of species, microbes generally fall into four main categories: bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protists. Bacteria, these are single celled organisms without a central nucleus. They come in shape like rod, spear, and spiral, and they can survive almost anywhere on Earth. Second, viruses. Technically, scientists still debate whether they are truly alive. They are tiny packets of genetic code that can only replicate by hijacking the machinery of other living cells. Third, fungi. Think of mold, yeast, and microscopic fungi. Unlike plants, they do not produce their own food through photosynthesis. Instead, they absorb nutrients from their environment. Fourth, protists. These are single celled organisms that are often larger than bacteria. They include microscopic algae and produce oxygen and hunter like the amoeba. Think life requires a nice, comfortable room temperature. Think again. Microbes on Earth, ultimate survivor. We call these tough microbes extremophiles. Some live inside boiling deep sea hydrothermal vent at temperature over 100 degrees Celsius. Others thrive inside solid Antarctic ice, hypersaline lake, and even in environment with high level of radiation. If there is an environment on Earth, microbes have conquered it. Now, most people hear microbes and think of illness, but the truth is less than 1% of all microbes make humans sick. In fact, we couldn't survive without them. Cyanobacteria is the ocean produce over 50% of oxygen we breathe, more than all the rainforest combined. Microbes are also nature's ultimate recyclers. Decomposers break down dead plants and animals, returning essential nutrients to the soil. And let's no to forget, food, bread, cheese, yogurt, and chocolates all rely on fermentation by yeast and bacteria. Inside your body, your gut microbiome acts like an entire organ, helping you digest food, producing key vitamins, and training your immune system to defend against invaders. But what about the tiny fraction of microbes that do cause trouble? These are called pathogens. When harmful bacteria or viruses breach your body defense, your immune system launches a sophisticated war using white blood cell, antibodies, and fevers to clear the infection. Modern medicine has given a powerful tool to help. Antibiotics kill harmful bacteria through they do not work against viruses, while vaccines train your immune system ahead of time. Today, scientists are harnessing microbes to clean up oil spill, create biodegradable plastic, generate bioenergy, and even hunt for extraterrestrial life on Mars. Microbes are everywhere. Most are beneficial, essential for Earth ecosystem. Microorganisms may be invisible to the naked eyes, but they run on our planet. From generating the air we breathe to keeping us healthy, they are the true ruler of Earth. If you find the story is good, then please do like and subscribe 10 Line Story channel to see English and Hindi videos. So keep watching 10 Line Story channel. See you next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.